All right, what's going on, lovely people? Welcome back. Welcome back. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I hope you guys are learning something and taking something from it. I just can't wait to, just see what you guys come up with as far as like what you guys take and how you apply it, to your own mixing process and everything like that. So, like I said, this song is called Saturators by David Jacoby and the Family Experience. And like I said, the link will be down in the description. And let's just go ahead and tackle the toms. All right, here we go. Okay, so as you notice, I have the overheads and I also have the toms soloed. Okay, why? The reason why is because I want to pan my overheads. I'm sorry, I want to pan my toms with the overheads. Okay, so just picture yourself from behind a drum set. Depend. I know everybody's setup is different, but for this particular instance, hi hats right here, snares right here, tom one is like right here. So like that's about 50% of where the kick drum is, because the kick drum is right dead smack in the middle. About 50% where the kick drum is. Okay, so tom one, I'm sorry, tom one, tom two, tom three, tom four. All right. So as we listen to the overheads real quick. You know what I'm saying? You kind of hear that separation as far as the panning goes. Tom 4 is way over here, and you can really hear it in the overhead. So that's why I like to pan it that way, okay? So let's just listen to it and see what we can come up with as far as treatment goes. All right, here we go. All right, so I think that sounds pretty good. We went ahead and just moved Tom 4 all the way to the right, you know what I mean? Because that's where it's at in the overheads, all right? So now, the same type of treatment I'm going to use for Tom 1 is kind of be similar to the same type of treatment I'm going to use for the rest of the toms, okay? So ask yourself, what do you want to do? Well, first off rip, you guys already know by now, silencer, okay? Get this plug in. I cannot stress that enough. Get this plug in because it will change how you mix the drums. All right. Again, they're not sponsored. When I love something dearly, dearly, I will talk about it for days. Okay. So let's just start off with a preset. Okay. And let's just go from there. Okay. Here we go. As you can see, I didn't want to do too much of it because I still want that impact of the stick hitting the tom. All right. So we're just going to pull that D bleed down just a hair. Okay. There we go. That sounds a little bit better because able to still get rid of all the background noise, but still keep that impact of the tom, and that's what I want to go for. Okay, so now let's go ahead and compress this bad boy, bring it up just a little bit more. Here we go. All right, I love what that is doing. It is really pushing that tom to the front. Love that, love that, love that. All right, now let's go ahead and get an EQ. And for this one, Let's see. Do I want to use the Pro EQ? Might as well. All right. Might as well use the Pro EQ. Why not? Okay. So off rip, I'm gonna do a low cut. It's like about 100. After that, probably definitely gonna boost the low end. Just to get the tone of the tom. Scoop out the mids, boost the highs, so we can get the impact. And let's just go from there. Here we go. All right, I really like the way that sounds. I'm able to get that real top end of the tom. You got the low end of the tom. Sounds pretty good. Let's take a listen again before and after. They're not sponsored, but get that plugin. Get Silencer. Jesus Christ. Get it. Just get it. Forget all the other gates you got. Go get that. Like, it'll make your life a lot easier. Amen. Woo. All right. So the beautiful thing about Studio One, just drag and drop uh, for time two, and let's just go ahead and dial this in, make our adjustments where we need to make them, and just move on. Here we go. Beautiful. I like the way that sounds. All right. Let's do the same thing again. Tom four. I'm sorry, Tom three. Here we go. Make sure our silencer is good. All right, I believe that sounds pretty good there. Now let's go on to Tom 4. All right, let's listen to that with the kick in context. All right, so now let's get our Tom bus going on here. I don't know how the heck that just happened. All right. And we're going to use good old hefty CLA. All right, so for this one, I just want Tom Zool, nothing on it. We're going to use a club and a little bit of compression. That's how I like my toms to sound. And we're actually going to get a little bit of the V pre. We're going to set this to high. Probably turn that to like about 16, and the mix we want at 100. Okay, let's listen to how that sounds like. I think that sounds absolutely fantastic. All right. So hopefully you guys are learning something. Hopefully you guys are getting something from this. And next video, we're going to tackle the overheads and the hi-hat. All right. Love y'all. Peace.